welcome to another Online Business Realm video. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and click subscribe to stay up to date with everything we have going on here at the channel. So today we're continuing our Web Wednesday series where we're walking you through every single step to creating a website. So far we have got our domain name, we've chosen our hosting package, and we've set up our name servers so that our domain lines up with our hosting package. So we went over our HostGator cPanel last week, and I pointed out some things you would need. So this week we're going to be showing you how to install WordPress to your HostGator hosted site, and it's really easy. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to make sure that we add our domain to our package. So what you want to do here is go to Add-on Domains. All right, and then type your domain. We're going to be working with this one today. Subdomain, we're not doing a subdomain, so we'll leave that as. And then all we got to do is click Add Domain. Now this is going to automatically update in our hosting package, and it is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead. I could click right there, but we're going to go back to the main tab here so I can show you where you go next. So after you've added your domain, you need to go down here and go to Software, and then Quick Install. It's got like a little kind of alarm clock with an arrow icon. We're going to click WordPress. Now all we got to do is select our domain. So we are going to click prostylepainters.com. Don't worry about directory. Down here, they're trying to sell you more stuff. Don't worry about that. Trying to take advantage of people. So now all we need to do is type in our blog title. So we're going to type in an admin user. You can use anything you want. Admin is fine if that's what you want to do. A lot of people do that. You can also make it something really crazy so people can't hack into it. So I'm just going to call it okay, full name, first name, last name, admin email. We'll just use regular email address here. All right, you're going to have to click the Terms of Service Agreement and click Install. Now, it is not going to take very long to install, but it's going to take a few moments here. So I'm going to let it go, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so my installation is complete, and it gave me my password and details on that page. I'm going to skip through showing that so you guys can't hack into my non-existent website here. But all you're going to do here is you are going to type in the username that you created and your password that they gave to you and click Login. And now we are here on our dashboard. So next week we'll be talking about what each one of these on the left panel menu are, kind of what's going on with your dashboard. And after that, we'll show you how to install your theme and how to create this website. So thanks for watching. I hope this was very helpful for you. And until next time, get out there and make some money.